Okay, now we will make an introduction for the controller. Okay, now we will firstly show how to close the controller. For the controller turn off, it is prohibited just turn off the button, okay, to close the controller. It is prohibited. Okay, it isn't the light isn't very good. We cannot see very clearly. Okay, so for the correct turn off the controller, we need just shut down the computer by the computer shutdown process. Firstly, turn off the software by press this. Okay, then press this button and press shutdown and shut down the computer. Okay, after the monitor is black, we can turn off the power by this button. Okay. Okay, now we will start the controller. Firstly, turn this button to turn on the power. Okay. Now the system will be starting. Okay, now the controller program is starting. Okay, we make an introduction. Here we can change into the English version. Okay, now the interface is in English version. This is the menu. You can press this button. Here show the menu operation window. Here is the position for the 8 pieces height. X is for the table. Okay. This is for the milling cutter and the sanding belt. This is the press up, press down, and this is safety door up, safety door down. This is the stop fires. Okay. Press up and press down is these press cylinders. Okay, this is the safety door, and this is the stop fans. We can make showing. Okay, now the press cylinder is in the up position. We can let it press down. Okay, we can press this button. Now it will come down. Press up. Press down. Okay. Now we can press the safety door up. Okay, we can check here the safety door is up. We can press safety door down. It will come down. Okay, safety door up. Down. Okay, we can check the stop fans. This stop fans. Okay, we can check it by press the stop fans button. Okay. Okay. For this one is go back to the reference point. Normally we don't use button for the machine go back to the reference point. We use the buttons. Okay, we can check the buttons. This is the go back to the reference point button. Okay, we can check here. Here already 0. We can press this one. We can see what happened. Okay, we can see the head is go back to the reference point. Okay, now the system is go back to the reference point. Next one we will show the auto version. Okay, press this button. Here is show 8 heads. Okay, for the milling head and sanding belt. Okay, here is a button. This one is select the stop fans working or not. Okay. If we make it green, it means stop fans will work in the auto version. After production for each cycle, the stop fans will move forward and stop and waiting for the new workpiece loading. After loading, we press the start button on the controller. It will do the next production cycle. Okay. The back forward will the stop fans will backward. Right? The back fans will be moved forward and backward automatically. Okay. This one is a program selection. Okay. For example, I want to produce a program. Okay. We will press this button and select our program. Okay, here open the file selection window. We press all files and it will show the NC program here. Okay, in this folder, files folder. Okay, we can, for example, we select this one. Okay, now the program is go to here and we can do the we can check the file name here. Okay, it's ready for production. Okay. Next one, we can use the controller box to do the production. Here, this button is shining means in auto version. Okay, if we want to use the sanding belt, we need to make sure the auto run is light. If it doesn't light, for example, if the auto doesn't light, it means this sander belt doesn't work. Okay, only when the auto light, press auto, it light, this one can work. For example, I want to use all of the milling cutters and sanding belt. We will press all of them one. Make all of them light. Okay, then we can select the production speed. Okay, then we can press the button. It will work. Okay, we press this one to stop all of them. Okay, and another one, data. The data just showing the the offside for the standing belt and for the milling cutters. For the milling cutters, we don't need to input the offside. Okay, we don't need to change the data here. Just keep the 0 will be okay. For the standing belt, we can change the offside data as per the request. Okay, we can just check the sending result for the workpiece. If you want to send more, we can increase the data. If you want to send less, we can decrease this data. Okay, here. Here is the information. We don't need to change. Okay, system. Okay, we don't need to change. Okay, setup we don't care about. Okay. Okay, we often use the manual version, auto version. Okay, we just use these two windows. Okay. Okay, this is a controller introduction. For the controller shutting down, we do it again. Okay.